Okay, hello to the group. John Sturr here in Holiday, Utah. Let's do a quick unboxing of some lures I just got in the mail today. Bit of a surprise, and that's always fun. Let's first start off with these. Picked up these from the Amazon after I saw them on the YouTube. Never had a Lucky Craft lure before. This is my first. And these are the Lucky Craft Ghost Minnows and the Delta Craw, the LV Max 500Ss. And I saw a YouTuber using these and saying that they were kind of the industry standard for catching fish and doing very well. So I'm pretty excited. They're both 3 inches and 3/4 of an ounce. This is the Ghost color, and this is the Delta Craw. The Delta Craw was really good for me. Not the Delta Craw, but the color was good for me fishing here in Utah on one of the reservoirs. Picked up lots of steelhead, or correction, rainbow trout. Okay, good. These will be good. These are on the Amazon, $16 a piece. From I guess they're $17.15 a piece. From the seller's name is I Love Hard Bait. That's cute. Whatever. I'll put a link in the description. Next, so I've been watching iFish. I think that's what his handle is, or his name is, on the YouTube. And he likes the Leland Lures, Crappie Magnet and Trout Magnets. And Leland Lures has come out with a new bait called the Roo. R-O-O. I guess it's just the Roo. So, got sucked in. I have some of the Trout Magnet stuff already. And I want to give these a try. Oh, that's nice. Golly, I have a packaging and stuff. So I bought the kit. Because I'm like that. I like everything to have its place and not be a yard sale. So the Crappie Magnet Russ Bailey Roo Kit, and there's not too many reviews of this stuff on the YouTube. So I'm excited to get this up and posted. Boy, these are sticky. That's kind of annoying. Let's pop these open first. Let's get to this. So basically, the thought is it's bigger than a Crappie Magnet, and then it has this pocket right here where you can insert the Crappie Magnet slab bites into the belly. And then it's gonna, off-put some scent, some flavors. And then I also bought some of the jig heads that they have. And I'm thinking as I do this on camera, it always makes me nervous. Well, that's pretty good, actually. So I'm thinking that these are going to be pretty productive. I'm excited. Bunch of different colors. I don't know if the colors are described. Black Chart, Isom, Killer Pink, Midnight Russ, Schoonoff Chart, Wizard's Glow. I don't know who comes up with these names. Oh, yeah. Keep taking their medication, I hope. But it's got all the accoutrements. I think this was like, I don't know how much the price was because they don't describe the pricing on here. They just tell you what they shipped, which is just fine. And I wanted the jig heads, and then these, as I smell them, they don't really smell like much, fit into the belly of the bait. Let me get up close and personal. Hopefully this thing will focus. A lot of times it won't focus. I like how they're a little more robust than the Crappie Magnet, and I like how the sensor or the scent pocket is in there too. That's a great design. So we shall see how this goes. And then the jig heads are 1/8, 1/16. 12 1/8 ounce and 16 ounce, and then 12 1/8 ounce and 16 ounce round heads. I guess these are hammer heads. Boy, those seem like really big for 1/8 ounce. I guess it's because the holes in there, they got to make them bigger and round. And I don't know what the hammer heads will do. I guess maybe they'll lay on the bed a lot easier as you're jigging because of the shape. Okay, lots going on here in the spring. Springtime is the time to buy this stuff, evidently. So, good deal. I don't like that case. Boy, I'm gonna have to figure out, because, man, it seems like opening this up when you're in the middle of the hairball would be a little difficult. Noisy too. And this could be smaller, of course, but we'll see. All right, that's my story, and I'm sticking to it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Appreciate all the support. Cheers.